This happened to you. Let the pick crunch.
No, actually, no. I'm actually gonna put one of these back. I'll put one of these in here.
All day yesterday, bro.
Guess what? Ooh, I'm scared. Ooh, yeah, there's no ghost.
You think I should left all day? Do you think
This is a landmine. This is just a landmine.
Bro, do you think I was asleep?
This is it.
We're gonna bring a
You're not
bomb
supposed
to have
to
those
do.
guys. Let's go. Sorry.
Why are you touching me, bro? What?
No. Nobody wants to do a video and nobody really does. Then fight me, bro. Then fight
I
me.
threw it over there. Look.
Not yet. I don't have. I don't. I
Take off my ass.
can do a video of you.
Look, there's one up there. Look, there's one up there.
I call it
There's an
Skibidi
arrow right there.
Toilet.
That kid kept clicking my doorbell.
Me, I want to be in the video.
Yo, wait. What if we
Yes,
get
yes,
cheese will be rare. Everybody get cheese. Cheese is rare. Cheese will be rare.
yes.
Wait, everybody get cheese.
Everybody, get the cheese. It's gonna be rare someday. It's gonna be rare today.
Wait, what code? What code?
Wait,
Cheese is gonna be leaving today. Everybody get the
What's
cheese.
the code? ATU123. ATU.
Come here, boy. Oh, you better not run. You better try to do me.
ATU1. Hey, what are we doing? What are we doing? Why is Squid Game so popular now?
Wait.
Because it just, because there's.
Oh, you know, season 4. Season 3 is out. I meant season 4 is out. Season 3.
Yo, wait, I have a question for the person who's hosting this.
I know.
How much subscribers you got?
Because it's a good number. 4 is just it's just
Oh.
pretty. It's a
You have
it's a
2
good
times as
number.
me. You have 2 times as me. Oh.
What do I have to do? Do I have to change? Okay. Yeah, you can't join back. They can't join back. They can't join back. So don't kick him. Yeah, that isn't so funny. I'll go get someone. What's the code? What's... Yeah. Yeah, but I'm pretty sure everybody knows that. Okay, I'll go get someone. What's the code? Yeah. Yeah, friendly. So, wait, friends, accept.
Will you be my Valentine?
Okay, now. Whoa, it doesn't. Okay. I'm gonna go get someone. ATU 1, 2, 3.
Will you be my Rizzler?
What? You took the balloon. No. No. Oh, he died. I'm an admin. My jeez. These are loaded. No. No, 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 no. Get away from me. No. Get away. No. Get away. Yeah, just don't get near me. Do it. What if I shoot my gun into a gun? Okay.
I got someone. I got someone.
Hi, buddy.
Yeah, show him.
Ooh.
Oh my gosh.
No, I want that.
Don't kick him.
I
Don't
want
kick him.
that.
Bro, I want a key.
But
I want a
why are
key
you
to the
kicking
master.
him? Why are you kicking him? Why are you kicking him?
Bro.
No, don't.
No,
He's a nice guy.
He's actually
He's a
so
nice guy.
nice.
Don't.
I want a key.
Don't.
Can I
He's
have it?
nice.
Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro. You're the best. I'm not getting another person. Did you kick him? You know he could have got a bunch of stuff.
I'm leaving, bro. 'Cause you kicked him. Like what? Like that's in your hands? What did you say?
Anyone want to
I got you. I'll give you a blue black. Why do I have Megalon? For what? For what? For Alright, I'm joining. We locked.
There's 104 days. There's 104 days
Wait,
of
what's the
summer
code?
vacation.
Who wants to do the new
Okay.
Squid Games roleplay? Who wants to do the new Squid Games roleplay? Oh, okay. Can I join? Can I join, please?
Can I do that? Can I do it?
Hold on. Wait. Hold on. Wait. I'm A-T U. Yep. One. A-T.
Hey.
Okay. Please not me. I just joined. Please. You scared me. Thank you. Yo, I have a funny idea.
Guys, I'm here. Hi, guys. I can't.
I'm making the mega bomb arrow.
Is this the Squid Games roleplay? Is this the Squid Game? Oh shit!
Oh my god! Second.
Okay, thank you. Because I joined another server for no reason.
My guy going, I'm levitating. Yeah. He's levitating. I'm gonna go shoot this. Okay, what if we have a bunch of little Timmy saying, can I have that? Can you give me this, please? Okay, don't kill me. I think they nerfed, what's it called? The
Lego. Beep.
The MRE. I think they nerfed it. I think they nerfed the MRE.
There's something new.
I'm gonna Alright. How many people do we need? How many people? Whoa! 3? Okay.
I think he doesn't. Yeah. Oh, he's not here, actually. I swear he's not here. Okay, what channel are you on? Wait, what channel? Is it 7? Put it on channel 3. No, like, press your, like, button. Your stick button. It will change the channels. Like, press it like you press, like, a control. Like the thumbstick. Put it on channel 3. Hello? Okay. Okay, thanks. There's 3. Oh, what the heck? You guys are... fuck? We don't need people. We need people who has mics.
Yeah, I know that.
Oh, shit. Are you a modder? No.
People, the other guy friended. The other guy.
Oh, shit. Yeah, I have mic.
Mike? He has Mike.
Which guy?
Oh my.
Which guy?
All right. They,
Me?
this,
Me?
so- no, not you, not you. Okay, you're here.
That
You're
guy?
here. You're here.
Yeah,
Do you have a mic? I forgot he has a mic. All right, let me. Did you unfriend
Dude,
me?
wait, guys, my mic just turned.
Hold on. Let me unfriend you. Cause like,
I'm kidding.
where the heck are you?
Then, bro. What? Oh. I kick him, it's funny.
Careful, he's gonna kick you. He's gonna kick you.
Wait, can I have it? Can I have that? Oh, he got kicked. Hey, can I have that bow arrow? Got kicked.
Nah, sorry, it's mine. What the? It's 140.
Wait, how do you kick people? How do you kick people?
Middle of the fella, from innovation.
Oh, dang.
Like
Dang.
a making a rocket.
I killed two people in the lobby I was just in, and then little Timmy was like,
Wait, bro, can you give me a research point? Can you give me one research point?
How many people do we need? How
Nope.
many people do we need?
No, please no.
How many people?
Guys, where are we going to the
3.
freaking pole thing?
What?
2? 3? Oh my god, we need
4.
3 guys. Guys, I'm gonna be right back.
Which one? Stop. They don't have those no more. Somebody kill me! Somebody revive me! Oh my god, this kid. Wow. Revive me! I need you! Ow! Hurting me. Ow! I am. Thank you. Guys, look how fast I am in this game.
Look how I'm faster. 3, 2, 1. Dun, 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 dun. 3, 2,
Alright, hold it. Start here.
Dun, dun.
You're so bad, bro.
Ready? Wait, not yet. 3, 2, 1. Dun, 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 dun.
Green guy.
Ball.
Bye! Whoa!
Yeah, I do. I don't kill. Unless if other people kill. What? Yeah, sure. Alright, so where the frick is this owner, bro?
7 people. Hey, bro, do you have a mic? Do you have a mic?
Yeah, I got mic.
Okay.
No, wait.
Cause
I can revive him. I can revive him.
play.
I want you.
We have 7 people.
Wait for me. Yes, revive me.
Wait, how many guards are there gonna be? How many guards are there?
Bro, stop it.
Hit him. Who did that? I didn't mean to. I swear, I did not mean to. I swear, I did not mean to.
No,
kick me. Please, bro. I swear, bro. Yo, where's the owner? Where's the owner for this movie?
Green dog.
Can I be a guard because I've literally got guard in my name?
No, that's mine.
Here, look at my thing. Yes, look at my thing. Yeah. Oh,
Wait, can I be a guard? Can I be a
Bro,
guard?
that's not
My name is Roland
fucking
Leopard.
game.
Can I be a guard?
Nah.
Bro, glowing is
Dude, what the
like
heck?
a
Dude, I've
secret
got guard in
guard,
my
like
name.
an agent.
Dude, I've got guard in my name.
Dang, bro, my headset died. People.
Wait, owner. Dude, I've
Oh
got guard
my
in my
God.
name. Dude, I've got
His
guard in my
headset died.
name.
Guys, I'm gonna go find one person. Guys, I'm gonna
Dude,
go
I've
find
got
one
guard
person,
in my
alright?
name.
Hold up. I'm gonna go.
Yes.
2? I can have
And
your guard.
you can check on the thing. I've got guard in my name.
Alright, guys, I'm gonna be right back and find 2 people.
Should I grab a revolver, a golden revolver, or a shotgun? Oh, I thought I could shoot him. I thought I could shoot him. I thought I could shoot him. Okay. Mingo. Mingor. 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 Okay. I'm trying to launch myself in the air, but I can't.
I got 2 people, they both have mic.
Dude, revolvers are so hard to use. Yo, you're one of the people? Yeah. Alright,
Where-
we got
Where are you at?
everyone follow the owner.
Follow the owner.
Fuck.
Bro!
Like this.
Who smacked me? Who smacked me? Someone's smacking people.
Hey, he's
Oh,
got a shotgun!
sorry.
I'm sorry. Are you okay?
Yeah.
He's got a shotgun! Hey,
Shotgun?
shotgun down.
Put the shotgun down. Stop griefing. Don't
Gun
grief.
him down.
I'm
Gun
a guard.
him.
I'm a guard,
with a
so I can
pity.
do what I want. I'm a guard, so I can do what I want.
Alright, let me explode this.
Assassinate with my friend. What are we doing?
Don't!
We're doing Squid Game.
I-
Oh, we're playing Squid Game.
Get away.
It was him!
No,
it was
it was
him!
a
It was
black-
him!
Guard,
No,
guard.
Bro, we have 8
Guard.
people. We have 8 people. We have to kick someone out.
Here, guard. Guard, I have a gun for you.
Kick
I
the
found it
person
on the
who
ground.
keeps
I
on
found it-
killing
I
It's
don't know
fine,
who
it's
it is.
fine. I
It's
have
him.
revolvers unlocked.
Okay. Is there any other guard except for you?
Get out of here, stinky boy.
Is there any other guard? 2 people as guard.
And that's me and him. That's me and him.
Okay, well then just take this then, because I found it. Okay.
If anybody tries to grief, I will shoot.
I hate all of you guys.
Everyone
frick
come
do you
around.
say?
Kick him!
Everyone come
Kick
around
him!
over here.
Oh wait, you're kick. Yeah,
Oh my God.
don't be toxic. You want me to
Hold
go
up.
get like one more
Let
person?
me. No, I'll go get them.
Alright, he'll do it.
I'll go get someone. Oh, we need 2 people, guys. I'll be right back.
Put
that down. You're allowed to kick people now? Because like you're the owner of the server?
Yeah, he's the owner of the server.
Can I have a hug?
Wait, who'd you kick?
Can I have a
Who'd you
hug?
kick?
Can I have a hug? Can I have a hug? Can I have a hug?
Oh
We're
yeah.
the only 4 in
Good.
this lobby.
Good.
Can I have a hug?
We're the only 4 in this lobby. Everybody else like left. Ooh. Oh, yo,
I'm gonna
why
record. I'm gonna record this.
Why? Bomba clap!
In this video, I am gonna be a part of Squid Games. I am one of the guards for this.
I'm a player.
I don't. He's a player. We got a lot of. This is the owner for this. We are gonna be playing Squid Games. I am one of the guards. Ignore my new fit. I just bought some. I just bought a lot of company coins. I'm broke now.
Can I have a hug?
No. Guys, let's get on with this. You kicked him.
We're the only 4 people in this code.
We're the only people. He's gonna try to join back, but he's gonna keep getting kicked.
Yeah, I'll
Oh, you have a
question.
question?
Where's the owner? Where's the owner? Where's the owner?
Right there, right there.
Okay.
Very weird
What?
request.
If I what? Okay, then I'm leaving.
You better not
Bro,
leave.
don't kick it. Don't kick people, bro. It's not fair for everyone. Everyone's just
If you
gonna
bet,
start
you
leaving.
better not leave.
Don't leave.
Oh my
Come on,
God.
bro.
Bro, I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna leave if you kick me. You know that, right?
It's only if you lose. It's only if you lose. Wait, he's leaving. He's leaving.
Oh!
He's leaving.
So I kinda died.
Alright. We're gonna be playing mingle.
Okay, so
Who
can I be a
died?
can
Who
I be a guard and a
died?
player? So can I be a guard and a player?
Someone help me.
Nah, me
then I'm out.
and him are the only 2 guards.
Hold on, let me
Kick
in
him!
an
Kick him!
MRE and
Kick
then I'm
him!
ready.
Kick him!
Kick him! Kick him! Kick him!
Oh my God,
Kick
bro.
him!
No.
Oh my god, 4, 5, 6. I need to find 2 people. Okay.
Did you call my name? Yeah, thanks, bro. Yeah, thanks.
Yo, where'd you go?
Yo, can somebody give me a pogo stick? Can you give me a pogo stick, bro? Do you want to give me a pogo stick and then I'll play the game?
I gave you fucking taste your own medicine.
Bye!
I do.
Yeah,
Hey, Tiger, can you give me
I do.
a jumpy thingy?
No fucking.
I wanna play Squid Game.
Many people for what?
I'm playing.
Me too.
You get out.
What the fuck?
No. Then
Wait,
I
what's the
can't.
code? What's
Bro,
the
let me
code?
get rid of my
Then I
own.
can't join. Then I
What's the
can't.
code? What's the code? T
There's 3.
A
There's 3 people.
P
There's
U
3 people. Fuck.
1 2 people. Bye.
That thing is invincible. Don't fucking kill me.
Guys, there's all mine.
Towards any player.
I think I'm the owner. It says aim to select player.
Okay. Select me. No, listen. Select me. Here.
Don't kick them though.
Hold the Y and then listen, hold Y and then let go of Y at the player that it's aiming at. If there's kick, if there's a green outline, what did I do? I'm trying to but he's you can't kick me.
Wait, I think me and I think me and you are owners. I think me and you are owners. I think.
You get kicked. So if I touch this, if I keep on doing this and then I touch this, I get kicked. Okay.
Yeah, if you like touch it on accident, you're cooked.
Wait, hold on.
Where is everyone at?
Does everybody have to do it at the same time?
Who exploded?
I just accidentally pressed the landmine.
Let me.
I
I'm
am
gonna
so
save you guys.
sorry. I did not mean to press that.
Guys, don't kick me. I'm just gonna save you two. All right? I'm gonna
Don't
save you
kick
two.
me. I'm sorry. I am so sorry.
Oh, God. Yeah, I fixed it.
I
There you
am
go,
so
you guys
sorry.
are
I did not mean to press the landmine. I am so sorry. I did not mean to press the landmine.
I almost pressed.
Everyone get kicked. Oh, I'm cooking. I'm cooking.
Damn.
Hey, Ethan, come back.
You have to keep doing this. Watch me.
I almost
Keep
touched
doing
it.
this. Keep doing this. Cyan. Wait, Wait, hold on. I think I'm allowed to kick people. I think I'm allowed to
I'm
kick.
just trying to get Pac on. He said you had place. He said
I
you
have
had
an
play a game with-
exclamation point. I'm an
left
exclamation
me.
point. Cyan.
No,
I'm
no,
here,
no, no,
buddy
no, you
boy.
can't. You can't. I'm sorry, you can't. Kick him.
We're not getting confused.
game
I'm one of the
over?
guards.
Oh,
I'm
yeah,
one of
yeah.
the guards.
Yes. Kick him.
Wait, hold on. Am I
Goodbye,
able to
bro.
kick? Because when I press
Yeah, try.
when I hold my left joystick, I go to the explanation.
Okay, I got my Wi-Fi disconnected. I got my Wi-Fi disconnected.
Yeah, I
Wait,
can't
wait,
kick.
wait,
that's
wait,
it.
wait,
My
wait.
Wi-Fi is
I don't know how to kick people. It says mod.
Okay,
it
look,
said
let me
mod
see.
vision.
So you have to like go up to like this weird
It
exclamation
says
mark?
mod vision when I do my left joystick thing.
Okay. So now
But are you like?
go on. Okay, now hold the Y. Hold the Y. Hold the Y.
Hey.
Him?
Blue.
Hey, guys, get out of the way.
Blue.
Who?
It's no PvP.
Wait, me? Him?
There's no PvP,
Oh, yeah, I
bro.
did.
Wait, isn't Cyan also eliminated? Oh, my bad. My bad. I thought it was him. My bad.
Yeah, he left. Yeah, he left. Oh wait, it's Ethan.
Why did
I'm a legend. Vamos. Cyan. My bad. I didn't realize.
I see him,
it
I see
wasn't
him.
you. Where's Cyan?
He sees him. He
Cyan.
sees him. I see him.
He's going on late. He has a grappler.
How dying?
Guys, let me handle this. Let me
No,
handle
no.
this.
Let me handle this. No, I got, okay.
Harry, everyone follow his fingers. Follow his fingers. Wait, how many of those were there?
No, I can't do that, bro. I don't know how to run.
Keep him away.
I'm back. I joined you.
Okay.
He did not follow.
Who followed? Huh?
All right. The next time you start running, you're getting shot with an RPG.
Damn. That's crazy.
Hold on. I'm gonna shoot my RPG away.
Who?
These
Where?
are the 3 doors.
Oh.
You're gonna have to be like this. I guess.
Wait, I was talking to my friend in call. Wait, I was talking, I did, I don't know where he is. He's, Wi-Fi might have crashed. I don't know where he is. Okay. I'm just gonna move around a little bit then.
Just go and just hurry. Hey, get over there. Get over there. Get over and do mingle. Get over there and do mingle.
Okay.
What table?
You two, get over there
Which
and
table?
do mingle. Like this.
Wait, I don't know what the doors are. I was on call with my
These
friend.
three. These
I'm sorry.
3 at the cell machine.
Okay.
Hey, what about the ones over there?
Let me go get them.
What about the ones over there?
Let me go get them.
I'll get more players, alright? The one over the...
Yeah, no. Yo, your drill. Your drill.
Yo, your stuff.
Your drill.
Yo, your stuff. Here's your stuff. Here's your other stuff. I've grabbed the other 2. Ow! What the fuck? Bro, what the fuck did I do? You're gonna die.
hurts, man.
I got people. Guess who's got people?
Finally, money. I need money.
Wait. There's gonna be more people joining.
Oh, you're already stinking.
There's gonna be more people joining.
Everybody,
I think I
stinking.
told them the code right.
66767.
6-7.
667.
Oh, I think we got another person. Oh, never mind. I thought we got another person.
Everybody,
Follow my
follow
move.
my moves. You're just when the owner says start, you're gonna spin around like watch me.
This is the code for Squid Games.
I can't really spin around smoking.
Alright. Which is me.
Can I keep this real quick?
No running away, by the way.
You can.
He kicked me.
Here,
He
you guys
kicked
join
me.
me. You guys join me. Okay.
Okay. Hey, bro, just join me. Okay, bro. Just join me.
Wait, what was the code?
Owie.
Sigma. Wait, what?
Sigma boy. One. Sigma boy.
What the frick happened?
1, 2.
New code. Hurry, new code. Hurry, I'll just join you. Green, I'll just join you.
Can I join?
Hold on. Dude, we have griefers. Alright, I'm gonna join you, Green. I'm gonna join you.
Oh, I just hit my dad, bro.
Hey, cutie patootie.
How do you spell squid?
Okay, no, I gotta leave, bro. If you don't know how to spell fucking school.
Sup. Alright, I think I'm the owner of the server. I'm not telling no one. So if I just I found this explanation point and when I went to it said aim to select player. Don't kick yourself! Wait, I think we got, oh, never mind. No, don't kick yourself. You're not able to kick yourself. Wait, what is this aim to select player thing? Oh, ha, ha. I know how to kick now. We don't have anything.
Tuk sahur, man.
Sorry.
Tuk sahur. Dat is real slow. Yes, of course I would love to do a Squid Game. I would love to, bro. Squid 1357.
Here.
I'm going mine. Oh,
1357.
I just deleted it. Hey, stupid blue,
Whoa.
what you doing?
Wait, how do you spell squid? I'm just kidding, So the S, wait. So the S, and then Q, and then, and then U, and then ID. Okay.
Think.
I s-
How about we just kill blue in their minds?
I came down here for research.
Only have one match.
1357.
Can somebody buy me a suck gun?
Okay, guys, you join. I'll join.
Mama, how you spell squid?
Nah.
How do you
Hey,
spell
don't
it?
be
How do you
shy.
spell it?
Donations for the poor. Donations for the poor. Don't be shy.
Can you buy me a shotgun, please?
Oh, yo, you got someone.
That's crazy.
That's crazy. And remember, if you lose,
Knock,
you get
knock.
kicked.
Who
If you lose, you
is
get
there?
kicked.
Yeah, 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 oh yeah. What is that? What is that?
Try to do to me?
Guys, I don't know where I am.
What did he just try to do to me? Did he just try to kill me? That guy. The guy who just jumped in stash. Keep an eye on him.
Yo guys, I'm back. Did you just good give me that hole? Alright, we're gonna start. I'll be back. I'll get you more people. You went into no PvP. You need to go in PvP. They love murdering.
Yo, what's up?
30 people in here.
Detail legend.
Yeah, I keep like that.
Bro, you're griefing. He's griefing.
You got people!
He's griefing.
You wanna see something cool?
Bro, yeah, kick.
Wait, hold on. Am I still owner? Am I still owner? Am I still one of the owners of the server?
Waiting for you.
Yo, Loki, put those in the machine over there.
Bro, I literally have I have 4
Oh,
full
it's
bags
the
of
award
those,
if
so
you
I
win.
don't even need
Then
those.
put all the
I
eggs
have 4
back.
full bags.
Put all the eggs back.
Eggs aren't even
Why
rare.
should this be the reward?
Because
for
every
the
started...
win? Actually,
Because
no,
everybody
it's
did to
not
the VPN, so now they're just easy to get. But they
Yo,
still
can I be the guard? Yo, can I be the guard?
Me and the owner.
Nick,
are
can I
guards.
be the red light, green light person?
We're doing that jump rope game first. And if you also win,
If you also win, I'll give you an OG Galaxy iPad.
this is OG in Galaxy.
He's griefing.
Wait, are you for Squid Game?
Then
Who's
I'm not
griefing?
griefing. I'm not
Who's
griefing.
griefing?
Guys, who wants to play Squid
This
Game?
guy. This blue
Let's
guy.
play Squid
This
Game.
blue
I'm not
guy.
griefing.
Let's go. You
Squid
kicked him. Let's go. You kicked him.
If you win, I will give you a Galaxy OG iPad.
What are we doing?
It's my only one.
What are we doing?
You gotta do this. You gotta do this. No, you don't get kicked. You just get killed by these revolvers. Here, and then you're out.
You're not a guard. You're not a guard.
I'm a guard. See, this
be
is kind of easy. I'm a guard. Yo, can I be
Yo,
an
can-
officer? Can I be an officer?
Okay,
Now you're player.
I'm player 453.
No, please, can I be officer?
How am I a twin when I'm wearing this, bruh? See, this is easy.
But
Can I
I'm
be
the-
officer?
Yo, he was in the thing. He was in
You
the
want me
thing.
to, kick him? Kick him.
No, I didn't, bro.
Oh, griefer.
Is he, are you a dev?
No, you're griefer. You're griefing, bro. You're griefing.
I'm killing the guy who's green.
Please touch me.
Okay.
Hey,
Alright.
hey, put the revolvers down.
Oh yeah.
If you don't put them down, I will get.
Green just touched
You
it.
got an
Green
RPG
just
and you're
touched it.
asking me to put my revolvers down.
Great.
No,
You're not a guard. I have permission.
myself. Okay,
Yes, if I see,
Pug and Green is guard.
if I see you hit it, you're gonna get kicked.
Pug and
If
Green.
I see you
Alright,
hit the jump rope, you're gonna get kicked.
he died. So you're the guard and where's Pug? Hey, you two are guards. Okay.
Me?
Okay.
If you have any questions, just ask me.
We
If you have
start
any
here, we start
questions,
here.
Just ask me.
We start here. Oh, okay.
Wait, do we all have to be in this spot?
down.
Do we all have to be in this spot, or can we be like back here?
I am right here
I wolf.
now. Start.
Player 100 eliminated.
Let's
Who the
go.
hell is player 100? I know.
What? I didn't touch it, but okay.
Yo,
I'll
what's
just
up?
leave.
Wait, can I kick him? Can I kick him?
I fly like paper, get high like pledge.
Yeah, he gone, boy, he gone.
Where'd you come
Come
from?
around to no.
The second game is mingle.
My fellow monkey.
Let me demonstrate.
fellow monk.
I'm doing it with an RPG, but do this. I'm
Can't play mingle. There's no doors. There's no doors.
the selling machine doors are the doors.
We could use the safe spot, and like some sections will be one door, and the other sections.
No, nope. Hey, no griefing.
There's cell machines.
Wait, what are we
There's a cell machine.
Wait, so what are we doing?
Or did this?
You're gonna do what I'm doing. Do what I'm doing. Put the shotgun down. Put the shotgun down. Thank you.
No!
Pin.
So what do we do when the music stops?
2 players in each door.
Wait, no. Get out! Hey, we're in.
I'm in,
we're
I'm in, I'm in.
Guys, get out! Get out!
There.
No, you have to be up here.
right
You
here.
have to be up here.
I'm
Someone
right
get up here. Yo, get up here.
I'm with you.
Someone get up here, bro.
I am coming. I'm used to.
Wait.
Let me kick. Wait, can I kick? Can
No,
I
no,
kick?
get off. Get off.
Why do we kick? Why do
I'm
we
in.
kick?
I'm in.
Wait, how do I
Get off.
I'm in with you.
I don't
I'm
know
in
how to
with you.
kick. I don't know how to kick. I don't know how to kick.
Push you.
Okay.
I don't know how to kick.
Dude, can we just be eliminated instead of being kicked? No, can we just be
I'm
eliminated
aiming.
instead of being
I'm aiming
kicked?
at him.
Love you too.
Can we just be eliminated instead of being kicked?
Yeah.
I don't want to be
Bro, we have
kicked.
2 people. There's 2 people.
Yeah. Someone, yeah, me and him, yeah.
I can't.
Oh, I have to press Y. Bye, Black.
No, I can press. I can do it.
Black, run. Black, run. Run, Black.
I don't want to watch this.
Wait, I can't kick him. I can't kick him.
I'm gonna stick a
Y'all need to kill her.
Pug. How do you like my dance? Pug, how do you like
Dude,
my
I
dance?
can't kick him. I can't kick him.
I fly like... No, he's gone. Bro, I'm scared.
I'm so scared. I have a family and 2 kids.
Some Korean stuff that I do not know about.
Come on.
3 players, god dang it. I'll just eliminate them and then they'll.
Good. No more. Let's go.
Alright, you know what?
I didn't even get to launch
Let's
that
go.
grenade out of here.
Dude, guys, we're survive. We're gonna win together. We're gonna win together.
We got
Remember,
this.
there
we
can
all
only
share
be
the
one
eggs.
survivor.
Everyone, high five. High five, everyone.
Yes,
Oh,
high five, everyone.
I fell.
Boom.
Boom, boom, we all get high
Who the
fives.
frick are you? Yeah,
We winning. We
kick him. God dang
We
it.
getting the money.
There's another. Never mind. It's everyone.
Guys, forget
Alright.
about the people who died. Forget about them.
Are we going to
Get
the
rockets.
I'll
Alright,
just use my
rockets.
hook shot. I'll just use my hook shot.
Okay, I'll get rockets.
You don't have to kick them out, just eliminate them, and then you can kick. He launched. He shot it. He shot it. He shot it. Hey, hey, hey. Wait, one or two Hulk fists? One or two Hulk.
He's getting you another. You getting him another? The white needs one. It's just white.
Where'd he go? Where's the other guy? Oh, he's up on the rocket. He's on the rocket.
I'm gonna go on top of the rocket.
Alright,
I need another glove.
Hey.
I need another glove.
I'm on the guard tower.
Where's my other glove? Oh, thank you. Thank you so much.
No getting onto the guard.
Hey, no frog.
I
Guys,
would never. I would
Why
never.
we would never kill each other. We
Get
might
up,
have to go for
get
him.
down, or
Frog.
shoot it.
We might have to go for him.
Wow, I'm just.
Wait,
what?
This is a no PvP.
Yeah, you have to get knocked off the tower. Oh yeah, you can.
No, he just disappeared. I'm scared, bro. Am I just gonna disappear out of oblivion? Wait, how about this? The last two players. Hey. Hey, if we win, hold on, I'm asking you something. I'm asking.
Wait,
If we win, let us stay in the server. So if we want to split,
Alright,
the last two people.
Alright, if I see you get hit, he will kick.
Black. Black.
Dude,
You're
clip
black.
this. Clip this. We're not horses. We're human. Clip that. Clip that. Wait, he's gonna be confused. Bro, let us stay in. Please let us stay in. I need to split the egg. We need to split the eggs. We both died. We need to split the eggs. Please.
Guys,
Hey, who's here? We both died at the same time. What happens? I said, oh, we're not horses. We're human. And human are.
Wait. Did he win?
No. Dude, that's what I did. That's what I did. Did you not see what I did? That's what I did.
What?
I did that. I said, you're the baby. You're the baby.
Oh, no.
Gaga.
Oh, he's back.
We are not horses. We are human. And human are. Oh, sad. Oh, shoot. Clip that. Clip that. Get over here, shotgun.
I tried to shoot him with the pistol. Who won?
Give you Gaga.
Alright. Here's your rewards. You get eggs and it's a Galaxy OG iPad.
Thank you.
I got a TV.
Right. You want me to go get more people? Or should
Okay.
someone else get more people?
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Alright.
Now
Alright.
I'm player 456.
code.
I gotta be player
New code.
456.
New code.
I played these games before. Wait, I need to friend one of you guys. I need to friend one of you guys.
You already alright. Thank you. It's Squid 112. Squid 112.
These games before. I'm bald. I need hair.
I got hair. And that's dog. What the? Green, where'd you go?
I played these games before.
Huh?
What was that noise?
What the He's under the ground!
He's. Oh my god. Ah! Oh my god.
I see you. Yo, dude, do you see my arm? Do you see my hand?
We need more people.
Do you see my hand? Do you see my hand?
Guys, it's a couple years later. I'm not a baby anymore, and look what I got.
I'm not getting them. I'm not getting more people anymore. Friend Frog real quick. Oh, and by the way, the new reward. This is the new reward.
Oh my god! Baby gotta win this. I've played these games before!
Shut up, man. Shoot me then.
Day 2.
Hey,
Shoot
you.
a guy who's
Killing a
Hey,
little
Green.
kid.
my
wanna not be
VR.
living.
Can I
Me.
have a lot of golden guns?
Me. Me.
Oh, wait,
Hey, you.
Bro just came out
Can
of
Yeah, I
nowhere.
just
Can
came
I-
inside you. What?
Can I get a lot of golden guns?
What?
What?
Yeah.
Guys, let me see.
Jesus!
Yeah, I am not that gay, bro. I have
Squid 112.
I just want my what? You get ammo. I didn't know that. I thought you didn't get ammo. Do you fix that?
This one. First
Yo,
guy.
you're the front
is-
man? Oh, I thought you were the front.
First guy is TCJ guard. We know where he lives.
TCX, I mean.
TCJ.
It says
What
TC.
about me? Let me be the
Can I
front
be a
man.
guard? Can I be a guard?
Let me be
Stop
the
with
front
us playing
man.
these games before. You are not player 456.
456 is dead.
Alright, guys. Guys.
Alright.
456 is dead.
Alright, guys.
Look on the stage.
At the stage, I will.
Show y'all the prize. Hey.
Hey, stay over there.
I already know the prize. I already know the
Everybody
prize.
follow him.
You are not the front man.
Yeah, I am.
Hey, yo, Green, who's the front man? Who's the front man?
Hey, I'm not so baby anymore. I'm not a baby anymore.
Exactly, he's the front man.
Nah.
He's the front man.
What? I survived last
Alright,
time.
guys, let me pull out the
It
prize.
was neither the other guy died or the baby.